Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about ChatGPT, the AI-powered language model that has taken the world by storm. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you make money on freelancing platforms in many different ways. First, let's briefly explain what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses artificial intelligence to generate text in natural language. It has been trained on a vast corpus of data and can generate high-quality text that is indistinguishable from text written by a human. Now that we know what ChatGPT is, let's dive into how it can help you make money on freelancing platforms. The number one service that you can provide is the content writing. ChatGPT can be used to generate the high-quality content for your clients. If you are a content writer, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, headlines, and even entire articles. You can then edit and customize the content to suit the needs of your clients. The second service that you can provide is social media marketing. If you are a social media marketer, you can use ChatGPT to generate social media posts, captions, and even hashtags. This will save you time and allow you to focus on other important tasks such as analyzing your campaigns and engaging with your audience. The third one is email marketing. ChatGPT can be used to generate email subject lines, email content, and even entire email campaigns. This will help you to engage with your subscribers and increase your open and click-through rates. And the fourth one is the SEO, search engine optimization. If you are an SEO expert, you can use ChatGPT to generate meta descriptions, title tags, and even entire website content. This will help you to optimize your website for search engines and improve your website ranking on search engine result pages. The fifth one and the last one that there are many other services, but we are talking about here only the five. And the last one is the chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to build chatbots that can help you to automate your customer support. You can use ChatGPT to generate responses to common queries and even build a chatbot that can handle more complex queries. So there you have it, folks. 5 different ways you can use ChatGPT to make money on freelancing platforms. Whether you are a content writer, social media marketer, email marketer, SEO expert, or chatbot developer, ChatGPT can help you to save time and increase your productivity by using ChatGPT. You can deliver high quality work to your clients, which will help you to build a strong reputation and win more projects in the future. So what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT today and take your freelancing career to the next level. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Please do not forget to hit like to this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.